The Ugly Duckling. There was a farm. A mother duck was sitting on her eggs. Baby ducklings came out of the eggs.
Oops! There is still a big egg.
The mother duck was sitting on the big egg. After a long time, the last baby duckling came out of the big egg.
Oh my, you are ugly.
But the mother duck liked the ugly duckling. The mother duck went to the pond. The baby ducklings followed her.
You are ugly. I don't like you.
The baby ducklings didn't like the ugly duckling.
Look at him. He is ugly.
The other ducks didn't like the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling was alone.
Mom, nobody likes me.
The mother duck was sad.
I will run away. Goodbye, Mom.
The ugly duckling waddled away. The ugly duckling went to the swamp. Two wild geese flew to the ugly duckling.
Ugly Duckling, let's go together.
Just then, he heard a loud noise.
Bang! Bang!
The two wild geese fell down in the grass. The ugly duckling was scared. The ugly duckling hid in the grass. The ugly duckling saw a big dog. The ugly duckling was so scared. But the big dog didn't talk to the ugly duckling, and soon the big dog went away. The ugly duckling thought,
The dog didn't talk to me because I am ugly.
the ugly duckling was so sad. The ugly duckling waddled away again. The ugly duckling saw an old house. The ugly duckling knocked on the door.
Is anybody there?
An old woman answered the door.
Poor thing, come in.
she said. There was a cat. There was a hen,
Can you catch mice?
said the cat.
Can you lay eggs?
Said the hen.
No, I can't.
Said the ugly duckling.
You can't do anything. You are stupid.
The cat and the hen didn't like the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling ran away. The ugly duckling went to a large lake. Some white birds flew over.
Wow, they are so beautiful.
They were swans. The ugly duckling liked the swans. The ugly duckling stayed in the lake. Winter came. The wind was cold. The lake was frozen. The ugly duckling was frozen too. Oh, poor thing. A farmer found the ugly duckling. The farmer helped the ugly duckling.
Wow, the little duckling is awake.
Said the children. The ugly duckling was scared. The ugly duckling ran away. The house became messy.
Ugly duckling, get out!
The farmer's wife was angry. The ugly duckling stayed in the grass. The ugly duckling was very cold. After a long time, spring came.
I can swim.
The ugly duckling flapped his wings. Suddenly, the ugly duckling started to fly. The ugly duckling landed on the lake. The ugly duckling was surprised.
Oh, I am a swan.
The swan said.
Hi, you are so beautiful.
The ugly duckling flew up into the sky.